In this video today, I'm going to share with you what you need to do to send back evil back to the sender in your place of business, office, workshop, and any other place that you get your daily bread. Okay, there are a lot of you. The problem that your business is having today is because of evil somebody have done in that place. Okay, there are some of you that your shop, something has been buried and you are not even aware of this thing. Okay, somebody have buried something and this thing is working, is affecting your business, is making customers not to be coming to your place of business, not to be coming to your shop. Especially if you have competitors around you, you are going to be experiencing this. Okay, some of the competitors, some of the people that are selling the same thing that you are selling are not happy with you. Some of them are not happy with you. Some can sprinkle something in form of powder to chase away your customer. Some can sprinkle a liquid items to chase away your customer. Some can even go to, herbalists to carry out charm, voodoo, to make you not to be coming to that shop anymore, to make you fall sick, to make you have problem. This is I'm telling you now is something that I know very sure that has been happening. Okay, and sometimes you can also see customers. I will not call them customers. They pretend to be customers to come and bring bad luck to you whenever you open your shop in the morning. There are people that come in form of customers, whereas they are not customers. They come to bring bad luck to you that particular day that you open your shop for you to start having problems. And you find out that throughout the day you are not going to make sales. Even if you try to make sales, it's going to be only one. They bring bad luck to you. Now, how do you notice these people? How do you notice this person that pretend to be a customer whereas they are not customers? When they come, they are going to be pricing your goods or your services very low, and they are going to be angry with you. They are going to be responding to you in a harsh way. This is going to make your mood, this is going to make your energy that morning to change. You start having anger inside of you. Those are customers. I will not call them customers. They pretend to be customers to bring bad luck to you that particular day. Okay, these are ways they operate. Okay, now if you have a business, you have a shop, you have an office, you have a workshop, you come in the morning, you see stains of blood, you see physics, okay, human physics, even dog physics, okay, you see something being sprinkled in front of your shop. Please don't be the one that will use your hand to take away that thing. I have made something like this. I have made a video about this before previously. If you go to my channel, you will see it. Don't be the one that will use your hand to pick out that thing and throw it away or destroy it. Okay, because most of this charm, most of this video that is being done, both of these videos charm that is being done against you, your name is being mentioned. So when you touch that thing, it's going to affect you. A lot of people are on a sick bed today. A lot of people are falling sick and stroke because of this little mistake. Okay, because of this little mistake, the life we are living is full of full of evil. People are evil. People have bad mind. So many people that are smiling, shining teeth with you. Not all of them are happy that you are doing that business. Not all of them are happy that you have something that you are doing, especially if you come from Africa. There are so many evil, so many charm that people are doing against each other in order to bring them down. If you have competitors around you, you need to be very, very spiritually alert. Don't take these spiritual tips that I'm sharing with you guys here for granted. The reason why I'm sharing these tips for you is for you to be alert, for you not to be a victim. Okay, even if you don't have money to do proper spiritual work, do these tips. It's going to help you because there are so many of you who don't have money, but these tips is going to help you. Okay, yes, if these tips is going to help you. you know. So make sure that you do this assignment I'm going to share with you. But before I go into details of the things that you need to use to do this assignment to send back the evil that have been sent to you in your business place, if you see me for the first time, my name is Gideon, and by the special grace of God Almighty, I share spiritual team here in the channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching. And I promise you that you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel, because God will use this channel to deliver you from the evil hands of the enemy. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe. Okay, like I always tell you guys that life is spiritual, and it's spiritually that control the physical. If you do business, be very, very careful, be very, very spiritually alert. There are some customers that will come to your shop, and once they touch your goods, they have drop bad luck for you that day. You're not going to make sales. You're not going to make sales. Even if you make sales, it can be only one, and that one it will be very hard. Why? Because they have projected evil on those goods, that anybody that comes to your shop to buy anything that you're selling will be pricing you very low, and you are not going to sell like that, because that's not the normal price you want to sell it. That is how these things work. Okay, and if you're that type of person that they always bury things in front of your shop, they always drop things, when you come in the morning you see it, this is what you need to do. Okay, go and get me these things. Okay, first you need to get this powder. Okay, this is not charcoal, it's a spiritual powder, it's a powder. Okay, when you get this powder, you get your alligator pepper. Okay, you get your alligator pepper. Now once you see these things that they have dropped in front of your shop, or they have buried in front of your shop, what you need to do is to bring this powder a little, pour a little on the ground in front of your shop. Just pour a little of this powder in front of your shop. Then open this alligator pepper from your bag. If you are the first time user, open it from your bag. Bring out 7 and put inside your palm. When you put the 7 inside your palm, you are going to pray against anybody that have dropped that thing in front of your shop. Okay, whatever evil plan they have against you, that is what you're going to use that alligator pepper to do. You are going to pray against that thing, and you are going to send it back to them. So once you have finished praying with that 7 seed of alligator pepper, you are going to drop that 7 seed of alligator pepper on top of that powder that you have poured on the ground. Okay, make sure that the 7 seed of the alligator pepper is on top of that powder. Now you go inside and get your matches or lighter or anything that you can use to put that powder on fire. All right, once you put that powder on fire, there are going to be a massive smoke that will go up. Okay, there's going to be a massive smoke, like smoke is going to come out from that powder to go up. Now once this thing has happened, anywhere that person is, that evil plan, that evil agenda they have against you will go back to them. Okay, will go back to the sender. Okay, this is what you need to do to return back whatever evil somebody have done in front of your shop, in front of your working place, in front of your office. This is what you need to do to return it back to sender. Okay, this thing is very, very important. It's not going to cost you more money. It's not going to cost you much money. Sorry, it's not going to cost you much money. Okay, just get these items and use it and do this assignment. Okay, so if you don't have money to do spiritual work, if you don't have money to spend to do spiritual work, this little tip is going to help you. Okay, so that your enemy will not succeed in harming you, because so many people that you see around you, that you see coming close to you, that you see pretending to be customers, are not really your customers. Some of them have evil intentions. Some of them have plans, evil plans to make you not to grow and succeed in that business. So this is going to help you for you to be spiritually strong. Okay, and when you do this assignment, you are going to thank me later, because some of them are going to be surprised. They are going to be seeing you being strong and healthy. Okay, because their plan will not work. Okay, so here is what I want to share with you guys. If you have any question you want to ask about this teaching, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, Please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching. Alright, and if you want to talk to me directly, maybe you have something that is bothering your mind, use the comment section or DM me with the number showing on the screen. Okay, yes, DM me with the number showing on the screen. So here I'll be wrapping it up in this video. I wish you good luck, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.